Alright guys, so we're back here. So I changed current user ID to equal the UID, whatever. So yeah. Now I just need to do that for if it's less than 14 and greater than 0. If x is less than 28, but greater than 14. That's what I want to copy. So then we'll just go up 38, 42. Well, or maybe we could do it with a variable. And just put the whole thing in a loop. No, we'll just keep doing it like this. So 56, 70, 84, 98, 112, 126, and 40. That should be 10. And then each one preceding should just be 28, 42, 56, 70, 84, 98, 112, and 126. Okay. That is what I want to post throughout everything. But now we'll put blue, blue, blue. I'll be right back when I get this all done. Okay, so that should do something. And I guess the only thing to do now is just give it a shot, and we'll see. So I'll select red, green, blue, red, green, blue. For the first and second row, do a preview. Unidentified index, UID. So right there, my session should now be whatever it is, 5. Grid 1, unknown column R in field list. Put the space. So let's go into this now. If the post is red, but if what post is red? Okay, never mind. Row 1, update set. Equal to red 1. Echo red 1. I'm going to do that and see where that gets us. Actually, I also want to echo my UID, and that should be it. Red 17. Okay, hey, okay, here we go. Okay, so my session UID is 7. And that's correct. Red 1, hey 7, hey go. Unknown column R in field list. So row 1 is going to equal R. Set row 1 equal to it's like saying set the section equal to green or 1. So maybe set section that way up. Okay. Something happened. Okay. Oh, that means we gotta go through all these and do that again. Shouldn't be too awful. I'll be right back. Okay, so I added those apostrophes after each one, and now we're going to try this again. So I'm going to select red, 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 and hit go to preview, and now I'll check the database. There should be like 4 reds in row 1, and then 1 red in for 2, 3, 4. But there is not. That's why. Gotta wait till it goes through all 120. So let's try this again. 4 reds here, and then I'll bring up the next problem, which I already know is going to happen, but I already had a solution for it. Perfect. So, how do I know that that's in the 4th spot or not? That's the problem. Well, that's easy. In fact, all we gotta say is Well, maybe it's not so easy, but what I was thinking was, if the is set is nothing, if there's nothing, if is set text is not red, is not green, is not blue, if alright, here's what I'm going to do, and we're going to see if it works. If this set post is that, we're just going to steal one of these. So we're going to steal the whole thing. We're going to go down to the bottom. And what I'm going to say, if it's not red, not green, and not blue, and I think you just have to do this. It's not green. It's not blue. That and that. I'm just gonna say it's less than 40 greater than 0. Row 1 equals n. That'll fill every single column. So let's try this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now there should be 3 n's before the r, but it'll also be preceded by a whole bunch of n's. It worked. I refreshed the page. Yep, R, N, 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 R, N, N, N. Alright, so now we have a good algorithm. We have good code. So I'm going to send it to an actual preview file. And for that, we're going to make a new one called preview.php. And in preview.php, we're going to have a lot of problems. First thing I need is build.php. I don't want those open. I'll open them as I need them. Play with my airlock, guys. Okay. It's going to look similar to that. Not going to be the same. So for one, preview or build parse should send you to preview. That's the first thing. So now I just wanted to actually preview the boxes. So I have every single box here, all 140. So now I need some PHP to break down my code, break down my database entry. And we're going to run out of time here. So basically, this is going to take me some thinking. I might actually type it out and then record. So I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching, comment, and subscribe. Bye.